Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 East to West Alta 2600KRB travel trailer. This is a new product on the market. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside, and then head back to the outside of this new travel trailer. Alright guys, we're now up inside the new Alta travel trailer. And as you can see here, we are looking toward the middle section of the coach. We are looking at the kitchen, living room area kind of thing here. And we're going to start here in the corner, right here at your entry door area. So when you first come into the coach, there is a large closet slash pantry right here. Your monitor controls and stuff are right there, along with your slide out and awning buttons right there. Digital thermostat for your furnace and for your air conditioner there. You seen the light just went off? There is a motion light when you open the entry door right there. The unit is a one slide out unit, so you have some overhead cabinets there above your sofa. You have a trifold sofa which opens up and makes into a big bed. Mostly vinyl floor throughout the coach. A little bit of carpet around the slide area there, but most of the coach is vinyl. We've got a jumbo dinette up here on the left, which has two pull-out drawers. Does make into a bed as well. And it has a freestanding table here that you could actually take inside or outside, whichever way you want to use it. So if you're out under the awning eating outside, you can pop that out and use it outside. Big oversized window for your dinette area there. Does open, and they're deep tint safety glass windows in the coach. Has the pull down night shades on your windows. Over in the kitchen area here, you have quite a bit of storage, drawer space. Down below here on the left side of the cabinet, you have your little pet-friendly bowl there for water and food. I like that it's a lower drawer as well. Some of them are kind of bigger, and for small dogs or cats, it's a little harder for them to get to. You have a flip-up countertop extension there, which just kind of extends the space a little bit more, and it still gives you room to get in and out of that nice big doorway into your bedroom there. High-rise pull-out sprayer faucet there, and has a nice size stainless sink with a sink cover there. Some, again, larger overhead cabinets. And I like how they actually put a door on the end of the cabinet as well, so you can just kind of reach in from either side to grab what's right in there. Also have a vent in your kitchen area right here. It's rare to see that in a lot of these travel trailers anymore. This unit actually has a vent in the kitchen area, plus in the bedroom area, where normally a lot of brands just have one in the bathroom area only. Good amount of space down below here. You have 4 drawers, plus some storage underneath the sink, both right there. Has the Magic Chef oven that they're using in this with the glass front, a little light built in, 3-burner stove top. I'm gonna go around here so you can kind of look backwards a little bit here. Looking back toward the rear of the coach here now, you can see you have the 10.7 12-volt refrigerator here, which is larger than the traditional 6 and 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerators you used to find in a lot of campers. Now a lot of the RV manufacturers have gone to these new 12-volt refrigerators. A lot of people are starting to buy solar panels and things like that, go a little more off-the-grid camping. And with solar recharging your batteries all the time, it really does help extend that camping season. Down below, you have another drawer there for some extra storage. Your TV is directly across from the sofa area there, so it's nice and easy to sit down and watch. On this unit, they could only do a 32-inch TV in this section. Again, that's partially due to the big pantry and stuff that's behind it, but you do have some overhead and lower storage down below. Also have a sound bar built in right there. Going back toward the back section here is your bathroom area. And you have a nice big drawer here, or door here, I'm sorry, that slides closed. And just to the lower right is also an electric outlet. The only negative to that is if you slide the door all the way open, it does kind of block that electric outlet though. Bathroom area, nice big bathroom right here. And you have a corner shower right here. Pretty good sized shower system. Does have the Skylight. Has a pull across door there as well. There's a vent fan and stuff. And here you have air conditioning and heat both in there. Plus you even have a window on the back of the coach right there. Foot flush toilet. But plenty of room to actually get in and out of this bathroom and get dressed when you're taking a shower. There's some storage down below and 2 large medicine cabinets up here. And I like the fact that they just did 1 sink instead of 2, which some of these brands have started doing. So you actually have a good amount of counter space in the bathroom. And over on the wall section here, you've got your light switch and electric outlet. Overall, a really nice setup for a couple's coach and the occasional guest. Now, going up into the bedroom, you have another sliding pocket door. I also like the fact that they use these metal hooks instead of plastic ties or latches. So it's a lot more heavy duty compared to what some of the other units are using. The unit comes standard with a 72 by 80 king mattress. A lot of brands and travel trailers just do a queen bed, but here you do have a king available. And you can do a queen if you want to, so that's something that you could do, but if you like the bigger king, it is here. Now down on the lower left, there is a USB and electric outlet down there. You have your hanging closet bar on each side, plus some overhead cabinets. I also like the fact that the cabinets are held up by the little shock hinges. Vent in the bedroom. And then there's some more storage, little small cubby, little shelf down there in that corner, along with your electric outlet and stuff down there. And then there's a heat vent down there on the wall. The windows in the bedroom, 1 on each side, do actually open. And we're going to spin back around here so you can kind of see a little on this side. A little more area here to put a flat screen TV on the sidewall if you want. There's a backer in there, hookups there, and also light switches on the wall there. Now, I would really recommend looking at the construction of the unit. This is the huge advantage part to the Alta over a lot of brands. This is a 6-sided aluminum framed construction travel trailer. A lot of brands are just 2-sided or 3-sided kind of thing, but you have aluminum studs in your floor, your walls, your roof, and your front and back walls. So really important. Another really nice upgrade on this type of product is the roof insulation. It is a 5-inch thick foam block laminated roof system. So instead of being all hollow and only able to handle like an R7, maybe an R10 insulation factor, you get a lot better roof construction and insulation property. And same thing with the Alta walls. This is a 2-inch thick laminated block foam wall. A lot of travel trailer brands are only 1.5 inches thick, and they also are using the Azdel material here. So if it leaked in between, like say that window over there leaked, and you get some water on the outside, the Azdel material does not rot and mold and mildew like the Luon board that most brands use on their walls. So big improvement on overall construction. I would definitely check out the construction video that they're putting out on that particular feature. Now we're going to head to the outside. I'm going to show you some really cool features and stuff that they're doing out there that some of these other trailer manufacturers don't do. All right, guys, we're now back on the outside of this new east to west Alta 26KRB trailer. And as you can see here, looking toward the front of the coach, we have a really nice heavy-duty 3/4 fiberglass front cap. So the fiberglass cap is a lot stronger than the traditional roll front thin fiberglass that you'll find on some travel trailers. When you're driving down the road, things like that, and you get a lot of wind pressure, rain, things beating on it, those thinner roll fiberglass fronts sometimes warp, and especially if they leak, they definitely warp. So that's real important on the upgrade importance of these caps on the front. It's got some really nice LED light strips on the front there that just kind of glow, gives it a little different look compared to the traditional awning lights like you see on the one over there on the right. So just a little different look there. You have two 20-pound propane tanks on the front, power tongue jack with a little built-in light, manual override, 2 5/16 hitch ball, typical safety chain, 7-way Bargman plug, all that type of stuff. Again, the unit is fiberglass exterior on the side. It's just a white fiberglass with some decals and stuff on it, but it has the Azdale backer on the sidewall. Huge upgrade on construction. Really nice feature. Check out the Azdale on board video. Here you have the storage area. There's an electric outlet and a light on this side. And the storage compartment is actually taller. They do a drop-down Z frame in the front section here, which gives you a taller storage compartment than a lot of brands. Power awning. It's good size, almost the whole length of the coach awning here on this unit. Has adjustable arms for tilting and water runoff. You have the traditional LED light strip up there. 2 outdoor speakers. There is a TV/cable outlet right there, hookup with electric outlet and everything right there. Furnace exhaust out there. Aluminum wheels. This one was ordered with the optional More Ride step upgrade. And basically it comes down, touches the ground. It's more stronger, stable, going in and out of the coach. The standard is a triple aluminum step that just kind of hovers above the ground. But when you do the More Ride upgrade, it also puts a little flip down toolbox built into where the old step was. So pretty cool little feature there. Traditional screen door, entry door with the glass in it and everything. You have your large folding entry handle. Then next to that, you're going to have your model number, product number stuff there. Again, the winter climate sticker there telling you, you got the enclosed underbelly, things like that on there. In the lower left-hand corner down there, there's some low point water drains and also a gas line hookup for a portable grill or something there. You have a ladder on the back of the coach. It is pre-wired for backup camera. In the lower right corner there is your water heater, gas electric water heater, and you have an outside spray port and black tank flush for the bathroom. Typical 4-inch square tube bumper, great place to store dump hose. You can mount a bike rack to it or things like that. Has a spare tire mounted on the rear there that you can see. Electric slide out system, so you just push a button, it goes in and out. Detachable power cord. Your dump station there with your gray and galley tank. And you also have a light back here, LED light. So if you have to come out at nighttime and dump, you can do so. Now the unit has power stabilizer jacks, but one thing that's kind of unique here, they're individual power buttons. So you can put the left side down and then you can put the right side down separately. So if you're on uneven ground, it's a lot easier to kind of level things up. A lot of brands with power jacks, it's one button, they both come down, touch the ground, so you can't really do a whole lot of flexibility with them there. But you can here on this version. Going on around to the front here, don't forget guys to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos. Right here you can see the front power buttons, and it's probably a little dark, but I wanted to kind of show you a little bit underneath of here. So you can kind of see nice solid bottom, enclosed underbelly. Now up here is going to be the docking station area. So there to the right of the door, you have your freshwater tank fill-up. But inside the storage compartment, you have another light. You have an electric outlet, light switch for the front cap lights, cable satellite hookups, battery disconnect, city water hookup, and you have an outside utility shower. And basically you can feed things up through the hole in the floor there and kind of hook things up if you need to. But it's got a little plastic tray down there to kind of catch some extra little water that might kind of come out. And then you have a manual crank over there, just kind of stores on there. You can also kind of see here the aluminum framing and stuff like that. Again, roof, walls, floor, all aluminum tube framing. You have thicker baggage doors with the slam locks. I like how they swing instead of going up and down. So it is a little bit different kind of setup there. And you have in the front corner the hookup or solar charger place if you wanted to do some sort of portable solar panel. It does have a little portable solar hookup here. And you've got your informational stickers here. Two 4,400 pound axles. You have ST225/75R15D range tires. This particular coach was built 10/31 of 19. VIN number here. The gross vehicle weight, which is axle weight and hitch weight combined, most you can load the camper to, 9,460 pounds. Now down below, you will see the actual weight sticker down here, 6,302. So the unit, the way it sits, 6,302 pounds.